Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to find your QuickBooks license number. Now, if you want to find your unique license number for your specific QuickBooks account, it's quite simple. Log into your account, and once you are in your dashboard, you want to look at your upper right corner and click on the settings or cogwheel icon like so. Once you are here, this pop-up will appear. Now, under your company, the very last option, it says additional info. So we want to click on this one. And here, this pop-up will appear. So company ID and keyboard shortcuts. So your company ID is pretty much your license ID. You're viewing QuickBooks in the account view. So this is pretty much our unique license ID for our QuickBooks account. And you also have keyboard shortcuts here, bank transitions, transaction forms, so on and so forth. So again, this is how you do it. It's quite simple. And yeah, that is how you can find your license or license number, QuickBooks license number, or your company ID, QuickBooks company ID number in, well, QuickBooks. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.